In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall the Monzo app and log back into your account. If the Monzo app is acting up, crashing, or not loading properly, a clean reinstall often fixes things quickly. We'll start by removing the app from your device. On most phones, press and hold the Monzo icon until a menu appears. On iPhone, choose Remove App, then Delete App to clear it fully. On Android, select Uninstall or drag the icon to uninstall if your launcher shows that option. Don't worry, deleting the app does not delete your Monzo account or your money. It simply removes the app from your phone so we can install a fresh copy. Next, restart your phone. This step clears temporary files and resets background processes that may be causing conflicts. Hold the power button, then choose Restart or Power Off and turn it back on. Give it a moment to fully reboot before proceeding. Once your phone is back on, download Monzo again from the official Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open your store, search for Monzo, and choose the official app from Monzo Bank. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you're low on storage, free up a little space first so the installation completes smoothly. When the download finishes, install and open the app. Now, log in with your registered phone number, the same one linked to your Monzo account. This ensures the app can find your existing profile rather than creating anything new. Have access to that phone so you can receive verification messages. To finish, complete the verification. Depending on what Monzo presents, you'll either get an email magic link or an SMS code. If it's an email link, open the message on your phone and tap the link to confirm your login. If it's an SMS code, enter it exactly as shown. These codes and links are time sensitive, so act promptly and never share them with anyone. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder. If the text doesn't arrive, ensure you have Signal and try the resend option after a short wait. Once verified, you'll be signed back into your account. Your balance, pots, and card details will appear as normal because they're safely stored with Monzo, not on your device. From here, you can continue using the app as usual, now on a clean, up-to-date installation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick reinstall gets everything running smoothly again.